Welcome to Play Digital Signage Tutorials. Today we're taking a closer look at Google Maps and how you can display a map directly on your digital signage. Whether you want to highlight a business location, show visitors where to go, or simply add location-based information to your content, Google Maps is easy to set up and can be a really useful addition to your screens. Let's begin. I already have a playlist called Showroom Las Vegas, so I'll use that for this tutorial. First, let's add a new slide to the playlist. Then select the website plugin from the toolbar above the canvas. If you want it to fill the entire slide, click Fit to Canvas in the alignment tools on the right. Now, let's go to Google Maps. Search for the location or address you want to display. For this example, I'll choose a location in Las Vegas. Once you've found it, click Share. In the pop-up window, select Embed a Map. Before we copy the map, let's make sure it fits the screen. Open the Size menu and choose Custom Size. Now enter the resolution of your display. For a standard HD screen, that's usually 1920 by 1080. Just make sure you use the correct resolution for your own screen. When everything looks right, click Copy HTML. In the website plugin settings on the right, select HTML code. Then click Add HTML. Paste the code from Google Maps. And click Save. There's one more setting I recommend changing. Turn on refresh periodically and set the refresh interval to 20 seconds. This allows the Google Map to refresh regularly while it's being displayed. Now, let's preview the slide and see how it looks. Google Maps is a simple but incredibly useful addition to digital signage. You can highlight your location, help visitors understand where they are, provide directions, or add geographic context to your content, all using a familiar map your audience already knows. And all that's left to do now is to publish your changes to send the updated content to your screens. And that's it. If you have any questions about Google Maps, playlists, slides, or anything else, go to playsignage.com or reach out via the live chat. We're live 24/7 with dedicated people ready to help. Thank you for watching. See you next time.